Hi everyone, I'm Mathieu from ShapeDiver. Today I'll talk about one of our classic features, the sharing of models with other users. That's a feature that's available to all users from designer accounts and above, and it allows you to keep your models private while giving access to specific other users who have a ShapeDiver account. So take this model, for example, in my library. It's currently a public model, which means that I can copy and paste this URL here with anyone, and anyone can open the model, even people who don't have a ShapeDiver account. However, I might not want the public to have access to my model and therefore make it private. If I do this, the URL of my model is now not accessible to anyone, whether they have a ShapeDiver account or not. However, I can now go to the sharing tab here and choose to add users in the sharing table and give the specific users access to my model. For example, I can look for my colleague Edwin here. I mean, Edwin has a lot of different accounts, but this is his main one. And here I can see that I have three options. In the future, we'll have even more. I can give Edwin access just to view the model and interact with it, but also to export if there are file exports included in the model. And a third one is to see the analytics related to this model, both audience and computation analytics. In this case, I will give him view and export access, click on share. Now I can see Edwin in the list of people that I shared the model with. I can at any time add or remove some permissions that I shared with him, and also remove him and stop sharing the model with him. Once I do this, Edwin will be able, if I send this URL to Edwin and he's logged in his account, he will be able to open the model. As I share, he will also see in his notifications here that someone shared a model with him with a link to the model. For example, here I can see all models that other users have shared with me, and I can open them. So that's it for today. In another video, we'll see how you can also share a private model with people who do not have a ShapeDiver account using the link sharing feature. But yeah, we will see that another time. For today, that's it. If you want to see more, the YouTube channel has a lot of small presentation of features like this one, and you can ask any question on the forum or find information on our website and platform. Thank you for listening. See you next time.